Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're working on a Frigidaire French door refrigerator. We're going to be replacing the main power control, which is located at the bottom center front of the refrigerator. The reason why we are replacing the main power supply is because that acts as the brain of the actual refrigerator. It has power coming to the actual control, and none of the components are working. So we're going to be replacing that. The tools you would need to complete this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a 1/4-inch ratchet. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. To begin the repair, we're going to open the freezer door slightly. This will let us gain access to remove the toe kick. To remove the toe kick, you're going to lift straight up. There's 3 tabs it slides into. Once the toe kick has been removed, we could set it out of the way. Once the toe kick is out of the way, we can now shut the freezer door. To begin the removal of the main control board, it sits in a tray, which is located on the bottom of the refrigerator at the left-hand corner. It is secured by 1/4-inch screw. So using a small ratchet, a 1/4-inch ratchet, I'm going to remove the screw. Once the screw has been removed, the front of the control panel will drop down. We can now slide it out by pulling straight out and through the opening at the bottom of the refrigerator. Now we're ready to move the 4 Molex connectors from the control panel. To do so, we have to remove this tab in the back that's securing the wire harnesses in place. So we want to go ahead and flip it over. The tab is secured by a 1/4-inch screw, so we want to go ahead and remove the screw. Once the screw has been removed, there's a tab right here that's holding this rear panel in place. So we want to go ahead and flex the tab out and pull the panel off. Now we have access to the Molex connectors, and we can now remove them. To do so, you can see there's little tabs that we do have to depress to remove the connectors. So, it doesn't matter what order you remove them in, you don't have to remember. They are keyed and fitted to go only on one way onto their original connector. So. This is the old control. As you can see where my finger is, there are several little components on the control that have burnt up. This gives an electrical burning smell. Now we're ready to install the new main control. The first step we want to do is flip it over so we can remove the panel that secures the wire harnesses in place. So again, flex the tab out of place, and then this actual new one is going to stay secured to the panel. Unlike the old one, they're using, they molded the plastics together. So just flip it like that, and now we can go ahead and start connecting the Molex connectors. So again, they're keyed to fit on only one way. So just line them up with their correct connector and push straight on. Once the wires have been connected to their connectors, we want to go ahead and put the actual wire harnesses in their slots and then close the cover here. Once the cover is secure, we can go ahead and secure the cover with the 1/4 inch screw. Now we're ready to reinstall the new control panel under the refrigerator. So we're gonna flip it back upright. And then it can be a little tricky, but the control panel is going to slide into a secure panel in the back that'll secure the back end of the control panel, while the front end is secured with the 1/4 inch screw. So we're just gonna fish it through the opening here. Okay, once it's in its slot, we can now return the 1/4 inch screw to secure the control panel. Now, using my hand, I'm just going to start the screw. And once it's started, I'm going to use the 1/4 inch ratchet to finish fastening the screw. Once the control panel has been secured, we could then replace the toe kick at the bottom of the refrigerator. And to do so, we want to open the freezer door slightly, line up the toe kick, and slide it on to the 3 pins that are on the actual refrigerator. Once this toe kick is secure, we can shut the freezer door, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.